Good day everyone, I am Renante M. Crumbers from BSIT3A. I will discuss the laboratory 4, which is the decision tree.
This section of code imports necessary libraries for data analysis building a machine learning building. These imports enable essential tasks like data handling, machine learning model creation, data splitting, and performance evaluation. They set foundation for analyzing and building classification model using decision tree. This section imports several libraries that provide specific functionalities for the code. Number 1, import libraries. Number 2, access data for Google Drive. Number 3, load and inspect data. This code set up the environment for analyzing the dataset and expecting its interaction, preparing it for future processing and modeling. This part of the code is crucial for preparing the data for the machine learning model. It involves selecting the future's input variables and target variable to what we want to predict. Number 1, define future columns. Number 2, create feature matrix. Number 3, create target variable. Number 4, print confirmation. This part of the code is crucial for building a machine learning model. It's where we divide our data into two sets, one for training the model and another for testing its performance. Number 1, splitting data. Number 2, output variables. Number 3, print confirmation. This part of the code focuses on creating, training, and evaluating a decision tree model to predict diabetes based on provided dataset. Number 1, import libraries. Number 2, create decision tree. Number 3, train model. Number 4, make prediction. Number 5, evaluate model. This part of the code is responsible for creating a visual representation of the decision tree model that was built earlier. It uses several libraries to achieve this. Number 1, import a decision tree model, train decision tree, make prediction, number 3, and evaluate its performance. Is also visualize the tree. Import libraries. Number 2, build the train decision tree. Number 3, make prediction and its value. Number 4, visualize the tree.